Okay, I'm out at Gus Common and I'm going to do a bit of cooking. I'm going to do some Hasselback potatoes and sausages and with baked beans. The way to do these is to put your potato between two spoon handles and then you're not going to cut right through them, apparently. I'm going to try this on a wood burner. Oh, there it is. Sitting on it. Oh, didn't want to do that. That's why you're supposed to put a couple of spoon handles either side so you don't cut right through. How I'm trying this is I'm using a Firebox cast iron Dutch oven, but just the bottom part of it. I didn't have to carry too much on the bike, and I'm using my mess tin on top. So what I'm hoping to do and then cook some sausages on the side there, but yeah, I think that'll work. This is the old Swedish fire torch method. Hopefully when that gets going it's not going to be so smoky. This sort of damp weather makes the fire difficult to get going, even if the wood's dry. Well, I've got the fire going, so get a bit of oil on the potatoes. So those potatoes went on at about 20 to 4. So the idea of this plumber's mat is to hold the heat in, and it replaces the cast iron lid, which was, or the cast iron base, whichever way you have it up, which was a bit too heavy for me to bring today. Actually, this foot of mine is quite cold, so I might warm that up. It's rather nice. Yeah, I almost didn't come on this trip. I had an attempt at it 10 days ago, or 2 weeks ago now, and I left my rucksack unattended and somebody picked it up very kindly because they thought it had been lost and handed it into the police, but I actually abandoned that trip. So since then the weather's been a little bit changeable, and then I've had a few things to do, and it was touch and go whether I would actually come on this, and I had to sort of push myself to do it because it, with the cold coming in and the wet weather, it kind of didn't make it very inviting. So I'm probably quite pleased that I managed to get out, and I'm actually doing the meal I was going to do a fortnight ago. I think it'd be very nice. I can coordinate everything to come out together nice and hot. So I'll check that in another 10 minutes, see how it's looking. Oh, the sun is just on the horizon now. It's come just out from underneath that cloud that was hanging just above the horizon. And as I look over to the, well, probably southeast, it's just hanging in the treetops there. Yeah, I can hear them sizzling away. Just put that cast iron on that so it doesn't crack. Wow. Oh, they're looking good. Right, I'm just going to keep those warm in there for a minute. Yeah, it's amazing, this fire. You go from struggling to get it alight and then actually controlling the flame. That's I've just had to take the pan off because they're still cooking from that residual heat there. But I just need to, actually that would make a lovely hot water bottle, wouldn't it? Sounds like the crows are looking for their roost. Probably a bit put out that I'm round here. There's on there. Nice and hot. Let's pop those on for a minute. Serving up. A couple of potatoes. Sausage has just gone on the floor. Right, look at that. We've got Hasselback potatoes, baked beans and sausage. Mm. Potatoes are nice. Got a little bit of crunch on the bottom, which is nice. Half past 4.